Hello everyone, I am Sarita Pamnani, your Jolly Phonics teacher. Before I start the new letter sound, let's revise previous one. Letter Z, letter Z. Letter W, letter W. Wa, wa, wa. Diagram NG, diagram NG. Now it's time to start the fourth letter sound of fifth group, letter V, letter V. Let's start with the short story. One day during summer, Uncle Vic arrived at Zach's house. Uncle asked him, "Would you like to come and help me today?" Zach said, "Of course, yes." Uncle Vic said, "Then come, have a lot to do." After a moment, they both drove to the station in his van. Uncle Vic said, "I need to collect order from Wells Fruit and Veg." Then they both stopped there and collected vegetables. Zach and Uncle Vic dropped vegetables at doorstep. On that day, they both were busy driving his van, making the sound like Yes, the action of letter V is and sound of letter V is Let's see how to write letter V on red and blue language. Letter V. Letter V. Letter V. Letter V. Okay? Listen the words corresponding to the picture. This is violin. Violin. This is vase. Vase. These are vegetables. Vegetables. This is fish. Is it related to letter sound of letter V? No. So we cross out the picture. Let's blend the words. At when. At when. It when. It when. At wet. At wet. It's west. It's west. Let's sing the song. Drive Vix went round the village. Drive Vix went round the village. Drive Vix went round the village. So that's all for today. See you in my next video with another letter. Till then, bye. Keep learning.